Here we have the white cable from the car going to the white jumper cable back into the radio. Here we have the gray cable from the car going to the radio. Here we have the interface connected right here. Then I have connected, is it? Here it says connect to camera output, and I have connected this to the cable that said camera output. Then this one says connect to rear camera input, and this one says rear camera. Okay, nothing else is connected. This is just to protect the cables from. Here is the USB cable connected to the phone. The switches here are all set to on. Okay, so here is what happens. Okay, we turn the ignition on. Everything normal. Okay.
Authors and a spot of entertainment news.
Turn the volume down. I shift into reverse. Oops, ignition on. Let's go do this again. Ignition on. Okay, now I shift into reverse. Nothing. I start the car just to be sure. Nothing. Okay, so if I go
on.
Okay, so as you can see, when I shift in reverse, nothing happens. Now, let me press the middle button over here for 3 seconds. Okay, the interface actually responds. And that's about it. I push the button up down, this button up down. There's nothing on the steering wheel I can do. So I use the remote. Okay. I push power on. You can see the remote, the little red LED blinks, nothing else happens. On the interface I got a blue light and a kind of greenish yellowish light blinking. I press OK, nothing happens. Doesn't matter what I press, nothing happens here. Okay, I go in reverse. I get this display. I go out of reverse. I get this one again. So this is definitely not working.